When I was 10, my father gave me an old chess set. Chess is a reflection of life, they say, and as cliched as it sounds, it's probably true. The first thing it teaches you is that every move has a consequence, whether you perceive that it does or does not. Nothing you do, not a single moment, is empty of living. So think of things through, not always, but often enough, so your life does not feel as black and white and as uniform as the squares on a chessboard. One of the most precious gifts my father gave me was an Italian typewriter. To use a typewriter well, you needed diligence. One wrong letter and the whole exercise had to be started all over again.